Okay, welcome back. This is video 6 of 15. We're on pound dollar, so GBP USD on the 5-minute chart. Now, I've done a few videos on pound dollar, but I want to go through the 5-minute chart to show you that it does work on all time frames. Okay, so let's get into it. Now, if you haven't already done so and seen the basic training video I did on the 4-step trade plan that I have, the link will be in the description below. Okay, so you can follow that link and then go and watch that video in order to get a better understanding of what I'm talking about in my trade plan itself. Right, so okay, so we've got a set of lows here. Now again, I'm not going to be doing the risk to reward, I'm not going to be doing labeling or anything like that. This is just going to be highlighting points now. And then as I go further down the series, I'm going to start highlighting it less and less to try and get you guys to be able to spot it yourself. Okay, so we've got another set of lows here. As you can see right there, we've got another bounce there. Okay, so you can get buyers in the market with stop losses below. Okay, and them stops are just about to be ran. Okay, so can you see it didn't really go through a deep run, it was only more of a slight sweep underneath the lows, right? So that could be considered as a still as a triple bottom there, or it's like 1, 2, 3 and a sweep through. Okay, so if you got your stop loss 10 or 20 pips below these lows, you wouldn't have been stopped out at that point, so there's still stops sitting under here. Okay, now they're getting ran. Okay, so take note here, you've got these lows here and you've also got these lows here. Okay, now this is creating another bounce at this point. Okay, so definitely had a run through them now. Okay, so they're all cleaned out. So question 1, have we got equal lows? Yes. Question 2, have they been ran? So question 3 is, have we had a break in market structure? Okay, now the level of market structure we'd be looking for a break on would be the last high, or the last main high before the drop. Okay, so this level here. Okay, the up move before the down move, we're looking for a break above this. Okay, so we've had a break above it. Okay, now I'll let it play it a little bit more and I'm going to drop the fibs on it. Okay, so if you're a Fibonacci trader, like I always talk about in my videos, you'd be dropping the fibs from the high, sorry, from the low to the high. Okay, okay, it's continued long, so I'm going to drag it to this point. Okay, now my whole process, okay, so like you've seen in the other videos, have we got equal lows? Yes. Have they been ran? Have we had a rejection? Yes. Has there been a break of market structure? Yes, there has. Alright, so what we're looking for then is a pullback into market structure. Okay, now the level, for me personally, I'd be looking for it to come and fill this level in. So just for Fibonacci, guys, I'm going to drop a marker on the 62 to 705 level. Okay, Then I'm going to remove the fibs. Right, now my level that I'd be looking to get in on would be this down candle here. Okay, so I'd be looking for the wick. Let's have a look. Right there. That would be the level I'm looking to get in on, and then my stop would be looking to go below that candle. Okay, so that would be my tight, low risk entry. Okay, so I'll be looking for a retracement back into structure in order to go long. Right, so that's the whole setup. Now it's important you have a run on stops. You've got to have a rejection and a breaking structure, because that's confirming a directional change in price. Now it doesn't mean it's going to go on for a long time. It just means you're going to get a temporary reversal potentially anyway. Okay, so now we come back into structure. Okay, so we did come back into it here, but can you see how it printed all this here? So it looks like a level of support right there. So you're going to get retail in, and then the stop losses are going to go below there. Okay, and the idea is we're going to use these stop losses to give us the injection to go long. Right, so this would have been my entry at this point, based off this down candle before the up move, to fill this bit of price action in here. And then the fib traders, you would have been really close to an entry here. Okay, it's just short of the 62. Okay, so I'm just going to speed this up a little so we can get through the chart. Okay, so that would have been set up here. So you had the equal lows, run through, break a structure. Okay, come back down for the retest. You're looking for your fib levels here if you're a fib trader. Okay, or you're going to have a point of entry that you could be looking for in order to get in this position. Right, so there was a bounce here. You may have got in on the retest here and then got stopped out, but if that was the case and you're not risking too much of your account, always look for a second position. Okay, so I always have two levels of where I'm looking to get in. Okay, so my first level would have been here, and then my second level would have been to come and fill this point in down here as well. Okay, if we came this low, I would have got stopped out the first position. Not to worry, I would have got him back down here with a stop loss below here. Right, and then if that one got stopped out, I'd just sit on the sidelines and let it go. Okay, so that was it. So equal lows, run through, rejection, break a structure, back into structure for the entry, and then as you can see, price did actually take off. Right, so that's it right there, because that's the setup. So that's it for this video. I'll see you in the next one.